Third problem, prove that a square bc ac plus c square, a square plus ab, b square ac, ab b square plus bc c square equal to 4a square b square c square. If we take the left hand side here and I want to take a, b, c from column 1, C1, C2 and C3 as common thing there. So here I can take this A from this each rows here, so that I got A. If we take A there, simply we have A, and from here take A as common, so we had A plus B. From here we took A already, so we had B only. In C2 we can take B as common thing. So here simply C is here and here B plus C. And from C we can take C as common. So we had A plus C, A, C. Okay. So now we had ABC into determinant, this whole thing we had there. Again we want to simplify something here. So C1 equal to C1 plus C2 minus 3. Here C1 plus C2 minus 3. That means we have to add C1 plus C2 as A plus C. Subtract this C3. A plus C minus of A plus C is nothing but 0. Here we have 0. Then here A plus B minus of B plus A, that means A and A will get cancelled, so that we had 2B alone there. And then here B plus B plus C, that is 2B plus C minus C, that is nothing but 2B only. We had to keep C2 and C3 as it is. Only thing C1 we had changed here. And then again we want to simplify something, that R1. And or to take R2 and R3 here. So R2 can be written as R2 minus R3. So if you take R2 minus R3 in the first row, here this is R1, this is R1, R2, R3. Okay, we are going to do R2 as R2 minus R3. So here 0, keep this R1 as it is. So we kept as it is 0, C, A plus A as it is here. Only thing we have to change this R2. Okay, that R2 is nothing but R2 minus R3. So we have to subtract 2B minus 2B is 0. And then B minus of B plus C is nothing but B and B will get cancelled. Simply we have minus C. Here A minus C. So we had A minus C. Keep R3 as it is and R1 also as it is here. And then we want to take the determinant value for this C3. So we had ABC is already there. So keep this as it is. And then 2B into, we can leave this column and row. So we have to cross multiply these two. That is the determinant value. So C into A minus C minus of, already we had one minus that. So it will become as plus. So AC minus C square. So we can take this as plus now in between. So AC plus C square. So we can cancel here C square and plus C square. So the remaining thing we have 2AC. Already we had this 2AB square. If you multiply this, we got 4A square B square C square. Fourth problem. Prove that determinant 1 plus A 1 1, 1 1 plus B 1, 1 1 1 plus C equal to ABC into 1 plus 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. So let me take the left hand side first. Determinant 1 plus A 1 1, 1 1 plus B 1, 1 1 1 plus C. Here I want to change C1 and C2 here. Okay. So how to change this? C1 is nothing but C1 minus C2. This C1 can be changed now. So C1 minus C2 is nothing but 1 plus A minus 1. That means 1 and 1 will get cancelled. Simply we had A. And then 1 minus of 1 plus B. Here also 1 and 1 will get cancelled. We have minus B. And then 1 minus 1. Here 1 minus 1, that is 0. So we completed this C1 now. And then again we want to do C2. C2 is nothing but C2 minus C3, isn't it? So C2, we want to change this. C2 minus C3, it's nothing but 1 minus 1 is 0. And then 1 plus B minus 1, B. And 1 minus of this 1 plus C, that will be 1 and 1 will get cancelled. Simply we have C minus C only. So we change like this. And then we want to find the determinant value. Here determinant value is A into, cross multiply these two, B into 1 plus C. So that is nothing but B plus BC minus of C into 1. That is minus of minus is plus. So plus C. And then 0 into, we have to omit these two, 0 into, everything will be 0 only. So leave this. And then plus 1 into, so we have to leave this and cross multiply this BC minus 0. Then we have to simplify this thing. If we multiply, inside the bracket we had AB plus ABC plus AC plus BC. Here I want to multiply and divide by ABC throughout the equation, so that I can have, if you divide by ABC each and everything, if we divide this by ABC, I had only C. If we divide by ABC here, I got 1. If we divide by ABC here, it is 1 by B. If we divide by ABC here, we got 1 by A. So we had the value like this, 1 by ABC into 1 plus 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C.